In terms of looking for a product or a product range or niche, so I'm not sure if you remember, Matthew, I'm not sure if you were on the call. I'm pretty sure you attended all the calls, but I actually did a call a little while ago on the Empower Hour, where if you go to Amazon, so if you have a Seller Central account and you go to Seller Central and you log in and then click on Add a Product. When you click on Add a Product, what's going to happen is you're going to click on this product is not in this catalog. And then what happens is Amazon is actually going to give you all of the categories that are actually listed on Amazon, right? So when they actually do that, you'll be able to see all the different categories. So what I recommend you do is actually log into your Seller Central account, click on Add a Product. This product is not in catalog. Have a look at all the categories that Amazon actually have. And then what you want to do is, so they'll have all the main categories. Then once they have the main categories, you can click on the main category and then you can start to actually go to a micro niche or to a very specific niche. I don't recommend someone coming in into a very generic or very broad niche. Like let's say, for example, you think that your niche is home and kitchen. It could be home and kitchen. That could be the main category of your particular product. But for me, it's more about, that micro niching. So know exactly where you want to go. So for example, niche could be, let's say, gardening, right? That could be the overall niche. And then the micro niche could be hydroponic lighting, right? So you just focus on hydroponic lighting within the actual gardening niche. So for me, I think that's extremely important in terms of actually doing that, because a lot of the times when we start to get too wide or we start to focus on too broad of a category, what tends to happen is we don't really become experts within our particular micro niche. And a lot of us on limited budgets, right? So if you had a $300,000-$400,000, sure, you can build a big brand, probably in kitchen and dining, and that can be your niche. But initially, just start with micro, so hydroponic lighting. And then once you've actually established yourself as a leader within that micro niche, then you can start looking at the next niche, which could be hydroponic equipment, right? And then you can dominate that, and then you can go into another one in hydroponics. So always stay micro. It's very important. I know I did that mistake when I actually first got started. I got into the kitchen dining niche and thinking, you know what, I'm going to kill it. I'm going to be kitchen dining. I got myself a potato masher and a salt and pepper shaker and like an hourglass thingy majiggy and a potato ricer. So I had a lot of different products, but they weren't really focused on a micro niche, when really what I should have done, my first product was a potato masher. I should have just stayed in potato mash, right? And just and launched 20 different potato mashers and dominated that particular niche, right? So that's what I should have done when I first got started. So I made a lot of the mistakes that anyone does, because I've built businesses on only a few $1,000s, $5,000, and made a lot of those mistakes. And then as I started to come through, I started realizing, wait a minute, I could just focus on having the best particular product and then just get more of those products, cement myself in that particular micro niche. I'll be the go-to person because I'm the one providing or selling the most variations of that product. So people will come to me to buy their product, and that's how I become successful. And I'm going to be sharing actually a brand that's in Australia that's not Australian at the actual event too. And I'm going to show you an example of how they are becoming the number one in a particular niche, a micro niche in Australia. So hopefully that helps you, Matthew.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.